Hello everyone, Sadik here. So today I'm going to show you one of the coolest features inside Skreno. So I'm going to go ahead and show you, and it's called Guide. And using this one, you can do a lot of cool stuff. So let me click on the Skreno extension, and then you can click on the Guide, and we click on this one. So you see, this is already recorded and it's live. So let's say I want to record a flow and want to show a user how it looks and works. So I will click on it. So click on the screen. You just keep on clicking. I click on courses, events, and I show. Look at where I'm clicking, and it is recording. And if you do not want something to record and click, you just click on pause, and then you go ahead. For example, I pause it and then clicked on the leaderboard, and then it didn't record. So I clicked again, and let's say I click on this profile, it goes here, and then I scroll and find something. Let's say I click on edit, and you can show exactly how. So this is, you can see everything is being recorded, and you can see what is happening. I clicked here, I went back to home, then I clicked on go live, all sort of things. Okay, so once you are done, you click on the finish button and see what happens. There you go. All of your record all of your screenshot has been recorded, and you see where you clicked, every places that you clicked is being recorded. See, you click on courses, you clicked on events, we clicked on list, we click on this one, it skipped the leaderboard, and then we click on edit. See how nicely it covers and make a rectangle. See, that's how it looks amazing. And a few coolest things is that we have few settings. We can show as a full page or zoomed. So we can show zoomed version. So you see it's just showing exactly the zoomed version, zoomed. Or we can show even close up, go farther like this. But I would love this one, and then animated zoom, so it will stay full, and then when previewed it will become a zoomed version. Okay, so few more things before I show the preview. You can edit this one. You can click on add a notes, and then the best part is that you can get a links from here. You can insert few more, and you can do the annotation here. So this is the annotation. You can permanently blur an area, and it will stick to the screenshots. So if you do not want to see something, show something, so you just click on save, it is saving. And if you want some sort of, let's say, error, you just do that. And if you want to make a circle here, you just do all sort of things that you would love to. And we can save this one, or you can also go back to the original one as well. So this is saved permanently, and we come here and then copy link or go to the preview. So you see, now you see the little magic. You see, it's automatically zoom in for you. Exactly. So it's a perfect way to show the guide to a stranger or someone who needs your products or site, or if you want to guide something. And also you can see this one, and this is 100% editable. This is how it works. So we are making it embeddable as well. So if you have a some sort of website to guide or anything, and also your user can download the PDF as well. So you can, yeah, you see the PDF is downloaded. You can give it as a PDF, and then you can copy the link and share with your people. Okay, so if I click, you can share as a private and do these more things, and you can export it as a PDF, Markdown, HTML, or copy the Markdown. You can add more steps here and upload your custom screenshot. So thank you for watching. This is how the guide works inside Skreno. Skreno has become great multi-purpose product, and all-in-one product is getting really big. So thank you for watching. Have a nice time.